Hi everyone, welcome back. We're playing in Classic Happy Planner for the next week in June. And if I am not mistaken, this is Father's Day. It's also Juneteenth. We're gonna decorate for Father's Day, I think. So I'm gonna look through these two sticker books and see if there's anything in here. I don't think there is, but just to make sure. And so we're gonna put those back. And I'm gonna look through, these are stickers that I have that are, I don't even know how I got most of them, but we're gonna look through here and see what we can use to decorate for our Father's Day. Okay, I found these stickers, which I think are super cute, and we'll just make it work for a Father's Day spread. Let's see if we have the Father's Day sticker at least. Not in that one. Let's keep going. We got more. The same book. Have a Father's Day sticker. Good thing we have so many of those. Next year, we're gonna have to write Father's Day in with pen if we don't find some more. We do like finding more sticker books though, so we shall see. Yeah, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, that's where we're gonna stop. This is super cute. I don't know if it's super like Father's Day themed, but you know, it's fine. It's super cute, and I will enjoy using it this week. I need to hole punch it again because there are stickers in some of those holes. So if you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell to get notified when I put up new videos. And that's all I got for today. Thanks. Bye.